morning everyone and happy Vlogmas day 11. I think my tan has well and truly developed. I put on oil from Beauty Bay. I absolutely love it. It's like kind of orange. It's like a vitamin C serum or oil. I'll get it, I'll show you. And I just put it on my face this morning, so my face is really oily. And I'm going to have a shower this morning and wash this tan off. I need to wash my hair. I think I might do that tomorrow. Been lazy. Really bad sinus pains today. I think I talked about that like in a video recently, how I've gotten sinus pains. I've never had sinus pains before. This is the cream or the oil that I've been using on my skin. It's the Nourishing Oil Hemp and Rosehip for distressing and conditioning skin. And I got this, not this particular one, but I first got it last year when I was pregnant, and it's so good. Also, I love the Midnight Recovery Concentrate from Kiehl's. This is a limited edition Christmas one. I think this is from last year, so I still have it on the go. You don't need that much of it. I just use a tiny bit of it at night. Not every single night, but some nights, and my skin like looks real refreshed when I wake up. I'm still trying to find a dupe for like the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and stuff because it's so expensive, and every time I use it I'm like, oh my god, this is really expensive stuff, and I'm so sparingly using it, and then I just feel like I forget about it because then I'm like, this is crazy expensive, but the ingredients in it are really good. And to be honest, you shouldn't kind of skimp on skincare, I guess. I'm gonna go get Noah dressed. I'm actually halfway through a bowl of cereal as well, but I came up here to get his clothes first, and I also have some sinus tablets in my coat pocket because that day I went to the pharmacy to pick up medication. I also got the sinus stuff and I put it in my pocket, and I used it one time and now it's in there. Anyway, it's such a boring story. I can hear Noah making loads of cute noises. He's so sweet. He's starting to talk loads, like babbling away. So we're going to dress you now, Noah. What do you want to wear today? He's too busy eating his teething ring. We find you something nice to wear. Yes? Get you out of your jammies, get you ready for the day. Thinking that we might wear this today because it's nice and warm and it's wintry, and I just think it's really cute. So what do you think, Noah? Is this a winner? Will we wear this today? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this little outfit. It's so cute on him. You look so sweet. He can almost sit by himself. I'm just out of the shower. Noah's sitting on the bed. He hasn't been sitting here the whole time I've been in the shower. He's been down with my dad. I'm going up into the attic. I have a few bits that I just have to kind of put away. I have a big list of things that I need to get done today, so I don't know how much vlogging I'm going to actually get done because it's a lot of like cleaning and organizing and arranging. Yeah, so I don't know how interesting that's going to be for you guys. I also am planning on doing a massive lip decluttering video because I have a lot of lip products. Like, just have a look. It's just one drawer of lip products, and I know people are going to be like, oh my god, that's so many lip products, why do you have so many, they expire, blah blah blah. I know, I get that. I collect makeup, it's part of YouTube, it's just, you know, it is what it is. I get sent out a lot of products, I test a lot of products. Now it's time for a massive cull on this drawer. I think I've done like most declutters at this stage. Probably have to go back around, like do foundations again, definitely primers, because I seem to have accumulated a few of them over the last few months. Yeah, this lip drawer is massively culled down. If you had seen my makeup storage collection, whatever, a couple of years ago, it was way bigger than this. So this is just what we're left with, which is way too many products for any person, and I just need to get rid of them. The sad thing about lip products is you can't give them to anyone else because even if you've used them once, that's just disgusting. So most of these have to be decluttered, or anything that's not opened I will donate. I'm literally going to keep nothing out of here. I reach for very few products in here. A couple of the butter lip glosses I've been reaching for lately, and some of those Morphe lipsticks. I actually really like those Pixie liquid lipsticks, so I probably will hang on to some of them. But anything I do reach for, I've left up here because it's just kind of everyday things. So there's a couple of bits and pieces in there, and then a couple in here nothing kind of extreme. So that drawer seriously needs to be culled. And then this is one of my favorite lip glosses actually, and it's from Deals, and it was like $1.49, but I really like that lip gloss and I think I've purchased several of them. I think it's called Ballerina Pink. Yeah, I seriously need to get rid of things. I think that we all tend to like accumulate a lot of products and things that we don't need, but we just accumulate them for whatever reason. And I am definitely, not lately, but like as in the last 18 months, but before that I definitely fall victim of the hoarding of makeup products particularly, and thinking I need everything, and everything I've seen online I was like, oh, I'll buy that. So I have just seriously cut down in the last 18 months. I only purchase makeup products that I use time and time again, particularly Charlotte Tilbury. It's my favourite brand, so I will buy things from Charlotte Tilbury over and over and over again and just reuse them. And anything else, like, you know, the other day I bought the One Move liquid eyeliner because I really like it and I use it. I need to be a little bit more conscientious about what I'm actually purchasing, and I have been making a massive effort over the last 18 months, like, not to be buying stupid things. I think it's since I got pregnant I was just kind of like, right, I don't have enough room for everything, and a baby, and the baby's the most important thing, so I just kind of got rid of things and then put things into storage or whatever I thought that I might use again. I just have been really conscious of what I'm purchasing. It's a work in progress. Like, sometimes I do things like, oh my god, I'll have to buy another one of those lip liners like I did the other day, because I was like, what if it runs out and I can't get it? It's my favourite lip liner. So what? Who cares? It's a lip liner. You'll find a different one that you like. Move on from it. But I just think it's just my mindset sometimes. I will do that declutter hopefully before the end of Vlogmas. If not, it'll be January, but it'll be coming soon, so there'll be like a massive lip declutter. And I know people are like already watching this, like hating the fact that I have so many lip products, and hating the fact that I got a lot of them in PR, and hating the fact that I hoarded them all, and when I give them all away, you want to see the amount that I did give away. And I understand, like, there's a lot of lip products in there and one person does not need that much. Just kind of comes with the territory of working online. And I mean, I have contacted a ton of PR companies and been like, there's no need to send me anything. If I want to review something, I can request it from the brand, been like, my subscribers want to see this, may I have this to try on my channel? So that just stops me accumulating a lot of products and just not using them, and then not reviewing them, and then they're sitting there and I might swatch them once or twice and forget about them, and then I come to declutterings and I'm like getting rid of them, and you know, it's just madness. So instead I've only been reviewing things that you guys want to see. And like I said, I've contacted a lot of PR companies and cut way down on the PR that I receive, because it's a lot of wasted packaging, a lot of wasted products. It's not necessary, and I mean, you don't want to see every single thing in the entire world. You know, a few products here and there, and I think everyone's becoming a little bit more conscious about like what they're using and purchasing, and you know, we don't need everything. And I think that whole thing a few years ago of like everybody buying everything and reviewing everything, and Colourpop coming out with like 10 different collections in the same month, and everybody having to buy everything, I think that is kind of gone. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, or maybe it's just, you know, the people that I'm viewing now, but I feel like a lot of people are using products that they already have, you know, using them up. But yeah, I just definitely think that myself personally, I'm becoming a little bit more conscious of waste and not adding to the waste. I'm not lecturing on waste. I am terrible. Like, I contribute to fast fashion. I am trying my best not to do things like that. It is, you know, a work in progress again. Like, it's something that I am just gonna have to work harder at all the time. I don't know why I went into that spiel anyway. So we're making progress. I know this looks like a hot mess, but it is organized chaos, I promise. So what I've done here is I have emptied everything out of this wardrobe. Anything that I'm not wearing, don't wear, will never wear again, has been donated. I'm gonna hang up jackets that I regularly use, like these jackets that are hanging around here. I cleared off all my dressing gowns and stuff off the back. I have like summer ones, and then these are obviously the winter ones. They're the thicker ones, so I got rid of all the summer ones, put them into the attic because they're just like little robes and they're not warm enough. So yeah, the ladder's down there. So I'm out of breath. I just ran up and down the stairs about 5 times. So these are like jackets and jumpers and stuff that were all in the bottom down here. Like, this is just chaos down there. You can see that there's like bags and shoes and stuff that I need to sort through, but I think I'll leave that till later. My biggest task here is kind of organizing the wardrobe. It's just a nightmare. No room for anything, and I just want to hang all my jumpers in here so I can use them, and my jackets in here. So progress, I have put all my jackets in there that I use quite regularly. And I have a Christmas present in there, so also can we just appreciate my attire today? I look like I don't know what. Now it's time to move on to this section. Okay, so I've organised all my jumpers and my sweatshirts and cardigans and stuff, and they're all in the wardrobe now, a lot more organised, and this is a little bit more organised. Down here is still a hot mess, but if you actually come down here, I still have like everything at reach that I need. There's a lot of bags, a lot of high heels. I have worn high heels in quite a long time, so I may end up donating some of these or like getting rid of them or whatever. How cute is this little fluffy bag? So cute. Paddy's brother bought that for me. Ooh, was it for my birthday? I think it was for my birthday, and I just love it. So I like breaking it out this time of the year, so that's why I'm leaving it there. So I know that's like chaos and like horrendous to look at. I will tackle this at a later date. I just don't have time now because I'd say Noah is going to wake up from his nap any moment. It's taken me a half an hour, maybe an hour to do all this. I actually cannot believe how much I've achieved in that time. I feel like a hero. I forgot about opening this today. We're on number 10. I'm really bad at opening them in the morning. I always forget about them. There's the Milky Bar kid behind this one. And that kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Yay, Christmas tree Milky Bar. Noah's gone to sleep, but whether he's down for the night, I don't know, because it's only 7:30, so I reckon he'll be back awake in the next like little while. If he wasn't teething, he would sleep for a lot longer. Like he would be down now for the night, but they disturb him and wake him up all the time. It's so bad for the poor little fella. Mum and Dad are gone in to collect some McDonald's. So excited for McDonald's for dinner. Paddy is gone out to a Christmas kind of drinks thing. They cancelled the Christmas party in his workplace. Poor Chewy just jumped. They cancelled it because obviously the cases in Ireland are rising. Oh, Jenna texts me. Better text her back. I'm going to meet her during the week. So he's gone for his Christmas drinks in Toners, I think, or the Grand Social. Where did he say? I think it was Toners. So that's where he's gone tonight, just for a few drinks, just to kind of meet everybody. Obviously he started a new job in there, I want to say in March. Like I don't know how long ago it's been. It just feels like time is like ticking on by, and he hasn't really met all his workmates. I'm editing the day before Wednesday's vlog. Obviously you guys know I'm a day behind. Will I catch up? Who knows? Let's hope I can. It's 7:30 now, so it's a bit late going up. I explained this in yesterday's vlog with Noah and stuff. It's so hard. I don't even know how I'm finding the time. I think it's because I'm not even barely leaving in the house. It's been fine for the last few days because it's obviously been raining and we're in the middle of a storm. Well, the storm's over now, like, but that is the only reason I've been able to do a little bit of vlogging, because I try and do as much as I can when Noah's sleeping and while he is napping, and I try and edit in the evening. So I'm just trying to do my best. That's why some of the vlogs are shorter than others, and then others take longer to edit because I never shut up talking. Oh, Noah's fast asleep. I'm just checking him on the monitor. I'm actually so excited for this right now. I cannot wait. Yummy! This has been what I've been craving all week. Oh. That McDonald's was delicious. I found my Christmas jammies in the attic today, and then I have the other Minnie Mouse ones I showed you. It was in yesterday's vlog. So I have 2 pairs of jammies. I got these last year when I was pregnant, so they're massive, but they're just really, really, really comfortable, and they match my fluffy socks, which I also have on here. So I am finishing up editing yesterday's vlog, and I'm gonna try and get that up tomorrow, because I told you guys in that vlog that I'm gonna be taking the day off on Sunday. Just no editing, no filming, nothing, and I'm just gonna spend the day with my family and just have like a chill day. I'm a vlog behind already, but it won't look that way. If I can get everything edited and uploaded tonight or tomorrow, then I don't have to do anything on Sunday, which I'm very excited for. And just the day off. Just curling in for the night, guys. Gonna watch a couple of episodes of The Hills, Whitney and Timmy reaction. I absolutely love them. I'm addicted to them and I love watching like one or two before I go to bed. So I'm gonna watch that right now. I was just watching Gogglebox downstairs with mum and dad. I love Gogglebox, so funny. So I hope you guys had a fantastic Friday. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I will talk to you in tomorrow's video. Good night, guys.